Guys, and welcome to today's video. Right, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to add Wiki Cat coin to your Coinmarketcap watch list. Right, so your watch list is a special place where special tokens are kept. These are tokens that you want to track their prices, their movements, and stay up to date on them. Right, so first thing you have to do is download Coinmarketcap. I would assume you already have this, but if you don't, you can get it from the Apple Store for iPhones, and you can also get it on the Google Play Store for Androids, right? But since I already have it installed here, I'll just go right ahead and open it up. Now you can see the top 100 coins here, and we head over to the search section and we search for Wiki Cat, which you can see here. Now this is how you add it to your watch list, right? You just tap the star here and boom, it's now automatically on your watch list, right? So if I head over to here and I head over to watch lists, I can see all the tokens in my watch list, right? I can see Wiki Cat here, I can see this, I can see DERC, right? So I hope you guys have fun trying this out. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe.